you how to do a ponytail that won't slip. So to start, hey there, I'm here with my little sister to show you how to do a ponytail that won't slip. Here I have hairspray. I like the Got To Be Blue brand. 2 hair ties, a scrunchie, and a wet brush. I'm going to start by sectioning out the front half of her hair so it's not perfectly straight. And then I'm going to brush the top of her hair out. Spray the Got To Be glue across the front of her hair. And then brush it smooth. And then secure it with a hair tie. Now this ponytail is good for any type of sport or securing it for competitions for dance or cheer to make sure that it doesn't slide when they're doing their tricks. If you're just doing an everyday ponytail, you don't necessarily have to do it, but sometimes it's easier to get thick hair up to stay. As you can see, I have her hair in like a half up, half down type do. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this up over her face, and then I'm gonna take this back section of hair and I'm gonna brush it up towards the top of her head. And then I'm gonna brush it more towards the front hair tie. Spray some of my Got To Be glue on the back. Then I'm going to take this portion of hair and knead it with it. I'm going to brush them all together. I'm going to take this hair tie and then I'm going to put it underneath this hair tie. So the first wrap is going to look like this. You can see how it's underneath. And then I'm going to go ahead and secure it. And right here you have a clean ponytail. And then I'm going to go ahead and secure her scrunchie in. To make sure the scrunchie stays, I'm going to put it at the bottom of both of these hair ties. Wrap it around once.